Hello everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and let's start today's video. So in today's video we are going to see how to use enum data type. We have talked about different data types and we have used most of them, but we haven't used enum. So this is what we are going to do in today's class. We'll learn how to use enum data type. Okay. So what I'm going to do, we have this table customers inside the customers database. I am going to add one field inside this, that is going to be gender, because it has only two values and we know that in enum only accept single character. So gender will have male and female and I will be inserting M for male and F for female. Okay, so we will be using alter command to insert this extra column. So let's start. I'm going to write down alter table customers. Okay, then add column. Yeah, column, yes, add column, gender. Let's name this as gender. And now we have to write down email. Okay, and we have to mention the values. We do have to mention beforehand, like what single characters you will be accepting in this particular field. So I will be accepting M and I will be accepting F. Okay, then now see. If we are going to stop here, what is going to happen? This will run fine, this will get executed, and this column will get added also in the customer table. But it will get added in the end of that table. But what I want to add this column after last name. Okay, after the field last name, I want to add this gender field. Okay, so how to do that? Like if you have to add a field at a certain place, what we can do? So I'll be writing this keyword which is called as after, and you have to mention that column name, like after what column you want this particular field. So after last name, so I'm going to write down last underscore name, and that's it. So let me execute this query, and this get executed successfully. Now what I'm going to do, I will be clicking on this. Let me execute, and we have this, the structure of this table customs. So when we added this, the first user, there was no gender field, so that is why it is coming as null, right? So now let's try to use this insert command, and we are going to insert a value inside this. Okay, so we have to write down insert into customers. Now see, customer ID is primary key as well as auto increment, so I'm not going to take that. So I will be taking first name, because first name we can't keep it null because it is not null. Then last name. Okay, then email address. Okay, then before email address we have gender, right? We have gender. So because we have applied this after last name, so we have to include this. And then we have number of complaints. If we are not going to enter this, by default it will take 0. So let's just add this. Okay, and then we have to mention values. So I will be writing values, and let's start. So the first one is going to be, let's say, James. Last name is going to be, let's say, Bailey. Then email address, I mean gender, you have to mention gender. So it is going to be M, capital M. Then it is going to be your email address, which I will take as john123@gmail.com. Then for the number of complaints, let's take 2. Okay, and then the semicolon. So let's try to execute this command. Okay, this gets executed successfully. Now let me again click on this select command, and yeah, this get added. Okay, so this is how you can use enum data type in your certain field of a table. And yeah, so I think we have covered most of the data type and most of the things, like basic things that we should know about SQL. in the next class, in the next video, I will be telling you how to import a database inside MySQL workbench. Okay, and then how to work on that particular database. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. If you get any question, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, so yeah, that's all. I'm going to end it here. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.